Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you want to use any feature, for example to see your boyfriend's WhatsApp chats, you just have to go to that tab. The WhatsApp monitor is present under Social Apps tab. Here you will see your boyfriend's texts as well as the person he is texting.
Let's help you make your mark.
Spying on a smartphone to read its messages or call logs is difficult but not impossible. You can easily read someone's text messages without installing software on their or your phone. These spy apps will assist you in getting all information about the outgoing or incoming calls and texts on the host phone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.